Pumpkin leaves are a nutrient-rich superfood, offering numerous health benefits due to their high antioxidant content. They are known for protecting the body from oxidative stress, reducing chronic disease risk, and supporting overall well-being. Pumpkin leaves also aid in blood sugar regulation, digestion, and bone health. Taro leaves, on the other hand, offer a wealth of nutritional benefits. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and rich in vitamins A and C. Folate and calcium. These leaves support digestive health, boost immunity, aid in weight management, and even help with hypertension. Taro leaves are also an excellent source of iron, which helps prevent anemia and contribute to healthy vision.
Here's a simple recipe for pumpkin leaves and taro leaves chutney that you might enjoy.